Vigyan Prasar is an autonomous body that was established in 1989 under the aegis of Department of Science and Technology of the Government of India. It has the prime mandate to popularize science in India, bringing science as an enterprise to the common people, developing capacity for informed decision-making in the country, women empowerment through science and technology, and infusing excitement among young people towards a scientific career are some of the key approaches adopted by Vigyan Prasar to fulfill its mission. In continuation to its work among children, Vigyan Prasar has organized a quiz show titled sci-connect that aims at nurturing young talents of Northeast on science and has the goal of reaching so far uncharted territories in the Northeast. In the format of operation, the Level 1 involves the selection of students through a written test. The Level 2 comprises of workshops and a recorded quiz show in each state capital of the Northeast, where 5 teams compete with each other. The winning team gets invited over for another pre-final round. This is undertaken in 2 stages between 4 teams each, out of which 4 teams are selected for the final round. The teams that come third in both stages compete against each other once again for selection as the 5th team for the final round. This year, the pre-final round and the final round both take place in Guwahati. So viewers, presented here is the sci-connect quiz show. Happy viewing!
Hello, I am Dr. Dipti Rekha Sharma, anchor cum quiz master, welcoming you to the pre-finals of sci-connect, a science quiz competition devised by Vigyan Prasar, an autonomous institution under the aegis of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. With me representing Vigyan Prasar and also the quiz master of this series is Mr. Sachin Narwaria. Welcome, sir. The quiz series aimed at nurturing young talents of Northeast in the fields of science has been devised for execution in 3 levels. The first one involved registering of students and taking a written examination. The second level involved the recorded competition among 15 students representing 5 teams that took place in the capital of each of the 8 northeastern states of India. The questions formulated for the show were based on 21 Vigyan Prasar produced science films shown to the participants during Level 1. The winning team of each of these 8 shows was invited to come to Guwahati for the Level 3. We have assembled here today in Guwahati for the 3rd level, starting first with 2 pre-finals followed by the final. The winning teams of the Level 2 will be participating in the first 2 pre-finals and their selection will be done through a lottery system. The first 2 winning teams of these 2 pre-finals forming 4 teams will get a direct entry into the finals, while there will be a tie contest for the 5th team. This contest will be between the 3rd place teams in each of the 2 pre-finals. We selected the 4 teams for the pre-final 2 through lottery, and the team names are Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. Before we start with the pre-final 2, let me do a quick recap of how the show will be conducted. There will be 4 rounds in the show. The first round will be on multiple choice questions. Questions will be asked to each team, and for each question, the team will have 10 seconds to answer. The second round will involve questions for which there is one word answer. If a team is not able to answer, the question will be passed on to the next team in sequence. Here, each team will have 20 seconds to answer. The third round is a picture identification round, where the participants will be asked to identify a picture, and for this, they can have up to 4 clues. However, each clue that they take will imply a reduction in the points that they get. The fourth and the final round is a rapid fire round involving answers of 8 questions in 1.5 minutes. Further, details relating to each round will be given to you before each round. So, students, are you ready to move on with the show? Yes. Very good. So, we will be starting with the first round of sci-connect pre-final 2. Before starting a new quiz show, let us have a quick introduction of the participants from my right. Team A, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Mulilambu, representing Team Arunachal Pradesh.
Hello, my name is Pooja Prustiam and I am representing Arunachal Pradesh.
Hello, my name is Arnav Bhattacharjee and I am representing my state Arunachal Pradesh.
Team B.
Myself Aman Kumar representing Team Meghalaya.
Myself Rajay Alam Islam representing Meghalaya.
Hello, I am Akramul Islam representing Meghalaya.
Team C, a quick introduction to yourself.
My name is Pisilal Swanama from Mizoram.
Hello everyone, my name is Lal Thamwani representing Mizoram.
Hi everyone, my name is Larimsi Amadarchun representing Mizoram.
Team D, introduce yourself.
My name is Puhe from Dimapur, Nagaland.
Hello, my name is Michael representing Team Nagaland.
My name is Peter representing Nagaland.
Thank you all. Now, we are going to start with the pre-final 2 of sci-connect quiz contest. So, here is the terms and conditions for round 1. Each team will get one question with multiple choice answers. If unanswered, question will not pass on to the next team. Each question will have 10 points. Answer time is 10 seconds. So let's begin this pre-final 2 with round 1 from Team A. Team A, are you ready? Okay, here is your first question. Neoprene, invented by scientist DuPont, is a substitute for which of the following? Your options are A. Natural rubber, B. Polythene, C. Methane, D. None of the above. Your time starts now.
B. Polythene.
Sorry, it is a wrong answer, but don't get disheartened. The right answer is natural rubber. So, now moving to the next question to Team B. Your question is, in case of laser eye surgery, which gas is used for laser medium? Your options are A. Argon, B. Nitrogen, C. Gold vapor, and D. Hydrogen fluoride. Your time starts now. In case of laser surgery, which gas is used?
Option B, nitrogen.
Sorry, it is not nitrogen. The correct answer is argon. Argon is used for laser eye surgery. Now moving to the next question to team C. Your question appears on the screen. If you have 4 red balls and 2 blue balls, then what is the ratio of the 2 colored balls? The options are A 4:2, B 8:4, C 2:1 and D 5:1. Your time starts now. Yeah.
Option number C, 2:1.
Very good. Very well answered. And 10 points to team C. The answer is C, 2:1. So we will go to team D. Team D will have the question. Now it appears on the screen. In case of Roman numbers, the M stands for which number? Your options are A 100, B 1000, C 2000 and D 3000. Your time starts now. M stand for which number in Roman?
B 1000.
Yes, very good. It is B 1000. M stands for 1000. Well answered. 10 marks to team D. So here we come up with the scores of the first round. After the end of the first round, team C and D has scored 10 points each and team A and B is yet to open their account. So now we will move to the round 2 of pre-final 2. So the terms and conditions of round 2 are: each team will get 2 questions with 10 points to each question. The question will be one-word answer type. If unanswered, question will pass on to the next team carrying 5 bonus points. Answer time is 20 seconds. So we will start with team A now. Team A, the first question of the second round goes to you. The question is, tonsils are located in which part of the human body? Tonsils are located in which part of the body?
Throat.
Can you be a little bit specific?
Something like it is throat.
Question passes to team B now.
Below the ear.
I'm sorry. The question will pass to team C.
The oral cavity. Oral cavity.
Yes, very specifically it is the oral cavity in which the tonsil is situated. So 5 bonus points to team C. Now we will move to the direct question to B. Your question is, Samuel Finlay Breeze Morse produced a way of transmitting messages by using a code popularly called as what? Your time starts now. Samuel Finlay Breeze Morse. Time is up.
Optic
I'm
fiber
sorry.
code.
Team C.
Morse code.
Very good. Perfect. It is the Morse code. And 5 bonus points to Team C again. Now we will go to Team C. Team C, your question is, Euglena, a single cell animal, makes its own food by photosynthesis, but eats other food in absence of what? Time starts now.
Sunlight.
Yes, very good. Sunlight is the answer. So 10 direct points to Team C. Now moving to Team D. Your question, magnesium is chemically reactive, light and which colored metallic element? Time starts now. So you name the color of the element.
Green.
Sorry. The question will now pass to Team A.
Silver.
Silver. Okay, silver is the correct answer. It is the silvery white actually. So silvery white is the answer. So Team A, your question is, what is the name of the process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity?
Electrolysis.
Sorry, it is the wrong answer. Team B.
Electroplating.
Electroplating is the answer. Yes, you have got 5 bonus points. Now moving to the next question to Team B. Team B, your question appears on the screen. Colloids are which type of mixtures? Colloids.
Heterogeneous mixture.
Very good. Correct answer. Team B has scored 10 points. Colloids are heterogeneous mixtures. Now, Team C, your question is, what is the name of the procedure of growing 2 or more crops in a definite row pattern? 2 or more crops in a definite row pattern. Sorry, you have failed to answer. So, Team D, question passes to you.
It's mixed cropping.
Yeah.
Mixed cropping.
I'm sorry, it's not mixed cropping. Team A, question passes to you. Yes.
Crop rotation.
Sorry, it's not crop rotation. Team B.
Intercropping.
Very good. Intercropping is the answer. Team B has scored 5 bonus points again. Now coming to the next question, which will go to Team D. Team D, your question is, the state of matter can be changed by changing temperature or which factor? Time starts now. The state of matter can be changed by changing temperature or which factor? Sorry, time is up. Team A.
By changing pressure.
By changing pressure. Yes, correct answer. By changing pressure. 5 bonus points to team A. Very good. So, in the second round, team A has scored 10 points, team B has scored 20 points, team C has scored 20 points and team D has not scored anything. But after the end of the 2 rounds, the total score is team A is on 10 points, team B is on 20 points, team C is on 30 points and team D is on 10 points. Very well playing all the teams. So, here we are going to start the round 3 of pre-final 2, the photo identification round. The terms and conditions for this round are: each team will get 1 question, a picture will be shown on the screen. If identified without any clue, then 10 points will be awarded. 2 points for each clue will be deducted for next 4 clues. If unanswered, question will not pass on to the next team and the total time period will be 2 minutes for each question. So, we will start with the round 3 photo identification round. Team A, your question appears on the screen. What is the name of this instrument? Identify this instrument. Team A. There are clues. You want clue. The first clue is, it is an instrument to measure relative density of liquids.
Spring balance.
Sorry, we will go with the next clue. The next clue is, in case of car battery, it can be used to check strength of acids. Strength of acids. One more clue. Okay. The third clue for you is, it uses principle of flotation. It's becoming easier now. Principle of flotation. Okay, you want the last clue? The last clue is, it has a constant mass.
Universal indicator.
Sorry, it is not the universal indicator. Instrument was hydrometer. This instrument is hydrometer. Okay, coming to the next photo identification question for team B. Team B, your question is, identify these seeds. seeds.
Sunflower seeds.
Sorry, it's not the sunflower seeds. Clue. Next, the first clue is it's a member of the genus Linum in the family Liniaceae. Your first clue.
Linseed.
Okay, very right. Linseed is the answer. So you have scored 8 points. Now the next question to Team C. Team C, your question is identify these seeds. What do you call these seeds?
Mung beans.
Moong beans. It's not the moong beans actually. Your clue? So your first clue is it is obtained most commonly from Salvia hispanica of the Lamiaceae family. What did you say?
Rapeseed.
Rapeseed. Grapeseed. It's not grapeseed. So the second option hint will be it is still used in Argentina, Bolivia, Mexico and Paraguay for nutritious drinks. It is used as nutritious drinks.
Rapeseed.
It's not rapeseed. Your third clue is it can also be added to other foods as a topping or put into smoothies, breakfast cereals and bread.
Sesame seeds.
It's not sesame seeds. So your last and fourth clue is it contains about 6% water, 42% carbohydrate, 16% protein and 31% fat. So name the seed. Your time is up. Sorry. The right answer was chia seeds. This is known as chia seed. So now we will move on to Team D. Your picture will appear on the screen. Give the name of this fruit.
Plum.
Very well answered. Correct answer, 10 points to Team D. So in the third round, Team A has scored 0, Team B has scored 8, Team C has scored 0 and Team D has scored 10 points. And the total of the 3 rounds is Team A is on 10 points, Team B is on 28 points, Team C is on 30 points and Team D is on 20 points. So now we are going to start with Round 4. The terms and conditions for Round 4 are each team will be asked continuous questions for 1.5 minutes or maximum 8 questions. Answers should be given in true or false. Each question will carry 5 points. The representative from team will only answer. So we will start with Team A now. Team A, who will represent from your team?
Me, Pooja.
Okay, Pooja will be representing team A. So your first question is, the hard drives were first invented in the 1950s.
False.
Wrong answer. The word hydroponics is originally a Greek word.
False.
Wrong answer. Smog is a form of pollution.
True.
Right answer. When molecules of water on surface of water body changes from liquid to gas, it is called as condensation.
True.
Wrong answer. The polar areas of Earth are cold deserts.
False.
Wrong answer. Charon, Hydra and Nix are moons of Pluto.
True.
Right. The Nile River is the longest river in the world.
True.
Right. The zygote divides repeatedly to give rise to an embryo.
True.
Right. Next, we will go to team B, round 4, team B. Who will be representing your side?
Myself, Rajya Alam, will represent Team B.
Rajya Alam will be representing team B. Your questions are, butterflies are type of insects.
True.
Right. Metals bond and form crystal lattice.
True.
Right. Cork is a substance which comes from the bark of a tree.
True.
Right. The invention of magnifying glasses led to the discovery of microscopic world.
True.
Right answer. Discount equal to market price plus sales price.
False.
Right. If in the prime factorization of any number, each factor appears 3 times, then the number is a perfect cube.
True.
Right. The fusion of ovum and sperm is called as fertilization.
True.
Right. Amoeba reproduces a dividing itself into 2.
True.
Right. So we will move to team C. Team C, who will be representing your team?
I, P.C.L. Sonama will.
Okay. We are now going to start the 4th round with team C. Your question appears on the screen. Additional expenses made after buying an article are included in the cost price and are known as overhead expenses.
True.
Right. The frequency is expressed in hertz.
True.
Right. Excessive or unwanted sounds lead to noise pollution.
True.
Right. In Hydra, new individuals develop from zygote.
False.
Right. The power of an earthquake is expressed in terms of a magnitude on a scale called Richter scale.
True.
Right. When charges move, they constitute an electric current.
True.
Right. Rainfall patterns depend on the prevailing wind patterns in an area.
True.
Right. Pollution of air, water and soil affect the quality of life and harm the biodiversity.
True.
Very good. Right answer. So team D, who will be representing from your team?
I am Michael, will be representing Team D.
Okay, your first question is, sales tax is charged on the sale of an item by the government and is added to the bill amount.
True.
Right. Numbers obtained when a number is multiplied by itself 2 times are known as cube numbers.
False.
Right. Larger the amplitude of vibration, the smaller is the sound.
False.
Right. Plantation on the roadside and elsewhere can reduce noise pollution.
True.
Right. The tremors produce waves on the surface of the earth. These are called as seismic waves.
True.
Right. Like charges repel and unlike charges attract each other.
True.
Right. An earthquake is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth's crust.
True.
Right. So all the teams has answered very well, and in the round 4, team A has scored 20 points, team B has scored 40 points, team C has scored 40 points, and team D has scored 35 points. And at the end of all the 4 rounds, the final score is A is on 30 points, B is on 68 points, C is at 70 points, and team D has scored 55 points, and they have been selected for the tiebreaker with the third position holder of the pre-final one, that is Manipur. So the tiebreaker will be held for the 5th position for the finals. So here we come up with the tiebreaker round. The teams from Manipur and Nagaland will be representing in the tiebreaker. The terms and conditions for the tiebreaker questions are: both team Manipur and Nagaland will be given 5 questions one by one. The question is of one word answer type. The team who answers first and right will get 3 points for each questions. The maximum scoring team in this total 5 questions will be selected for finals, with the first and second winning teams of pre-finals 1 and 2. So are you ready, Manipur and Nagaland? Okay. Here we come up with the first question. So the first question of the tiebreaker round is: plants are divided into 5 groups: thallophytes, bryophytes, pteridiophytes. Name 2 more.
Gymnosperm and angiosperm.
Very good. Right answer. It is gymnosperm and angiosperm. The next question is: if in a solution whose solute concentration is accurately known, then what is the name of the solution? Name the solution.
True solution.
Wrong answer. It's not the true solution. Manipur?
Saturated.
Saturated. Saturated solution is the wrong answer. Sorry, we'll go with the next question. It is the standard solution. We'll go with the next question now. The kidney failure is a disease, and which biochemical compound may increase in this disease in blood?
Uric acid.
It's not uric acid.
Pyruvic acid.
No, it's not pyruvic acid also. The answer is, it's urea and creatinine. You were close. So the next question coming up is: the WHO, International
World Health Organization.
The WHO, an international organization, has full form of what? Okay, you have answered. Very good. And please pick up the answer again.
World Health Organization.
World Health Organization is the answer. Very good. So, now moving to the next question. The mountain peaks located in the America is named as what? Mountain peak located in America.
In this range.
It's not the answer. Team Nagaland.
Mount Rushmore.
It's not that one. The answer is Alps mountain range. The correct answer was Alps mountain range. So both of your team has scored the same now again, and it's a tie again, and we will be going to arrange another tiebreaker, and there will be a question coming to both of you, and you will have to raise your hands. Whoever raises hands first will get the first opportunity to answer. Understood? Okay. Your question is, in solar system, which planet is closest to sun? Who raised first? Okay. Mercury is the right answer. They have scored this and they are the winners of this tiebreaker. So after the end of the pre-finals 1 and 2, we have now the finalists for the final of sci-connect quiz contest. The finalists are Team Tripura, Mizoram, Sikkim, Meghalaya and Nagaland. So all the teams have played very well, and the next we will meet in the finals. Thank you.
We made wide publicity of the program with the help of DDK Imphal Center, All India Radio Imphal Center, local cable network. In addition to that, we publish this information in our local newspapers published at Imphal. In addition to that, we upload the information to our council's website for easy access by the interested people. That is how we mobilize participants. The schools were of the opinion that this is a very good program, so they sent their students to participate in the program.
More than 5,000 schools are in Tripura. So we have to reach each and every school. So we make an advertisement centrally and then given to the local newspapers in the month of February. Then up to March, they have registered. Students have registered in the district wise, and we do have 8 district science forums. and coordinators are there. They registered all the students, possible students from the 8 districts. In our state, more than 2,500 students registered for the exam, the level 1, and on the date of 16th April, students appeared 2,488 students. We have tried to reach each and every student through letters, through WhatsApp, through Facebook, and through newspaper.
The main challenges that we face is like reaching out to all the schools in every part of the districts was a huge issues for us, because there are lots of schools in rural areas as well. So we gave an advertisement, but it couldn't reach out to all the schools in every district. So that was a hard time faced by the council.
Manipur Science and Technology Council has been organizing various science popularization activities in the last few decades in the state of Manipur, due to which we have a very good linkage with most of the schools and the educational institutions in the state. So we did not find any difficulty to mobilize participants.
We do have the fixed budget for each and every state, but in our state, I don't know the other state, but we have to arrange 23 centers in 8 districts. So that wise, the budget wise, it is more difficult for us to organize each and every centers in a proper way. So as per request from the Vigyan Prasar, we have that matching grant from our council, and we managed and arranged in a proper way, befitting manner for each and every center.
The main concern of the school authorities was the sci-connect program, as well as coinciding with the school tentative program. So their main issue was to let the council prepare the sci-connect program according to the school routine. The students are some from faraway places, and they have to come a long way to the sci-connect program.
Authorities made their own arrangement for transport of the students from their schools to Imphal program venue. So we did not face any problem for related to logistics, etc. But for the Stage 2 program, Vigyan Prasar had given enough amount, so we did not face any problem for accommodation of the student participants, teachers, etc.
See, this is the sci-connect program. This is happening in first time in India, Northeast India. So schools, the school authorities don't have idea how the programs will be going on in the coming phases. So they have some questions in the mind. After seeing the videos, 21 videos, they have to prepare the students, and they have to side by side they have to prepare the questions from their syllabus also. So this is a matter of concern a little bit in the beginning, but after when time passes, it is going easy for them.
There wasn't any specific methodology, because we all believe that there is no shortcut to success. So the only strategy that we had undertaken was that there was only hard work. This platform has exposed the children to a lot of eminent scientists who have given them a lot of lessons, and they have been inspired a lot. But the quiz that was held, that was not the only platform that the children have got. The main motive behind the quiz was the preparation, and this is how the children got motivated.
Only our methodology is to motivate the children. Motivation was the best thing. We apply the methodology, and we advise them to get the information from the IT and from the smart room, as well as we also suggested them to read the new GKs and yearbooks.
Well, for preparation for the quiz competition, we don't adopt any special methodology, but we suggest how to read, how to prepare for that quiz competition. For physics, chemistry, biology, they were provided videos by Vigyan Prasar, and we only guide. We give them guidelines how to read them, and we interpreted the explanation. We do explanation for the videos sometimes, but actually everything is their own effort, because they do self-studies a lot.
In Nagaland, the syllabi we abide is not that much related with the syllabus that we have been provided, but still then we try to bring some external sources, and we have picked up all those points, and then we gave them to prepare the student.
For the students, we help them study with the study materials that were provided, and also we provided them some books and some sources from the internet as well, and we took the help from the other teachers as while preparing for this quiz. They had simultaneously classes and even exams were going on for them, so they faced a little difficulty for this because they have crashes with both the quiz and exams.
I would encourage everyone to take part in such competitions like this. I mean, it's so helpful, and I think it would really help the other students as well as the associates of those students to know better for the betterment of their lives as well as to improve Indian science.
In this sci-connect quiz, we can see that there are various activities such as like the hands-on activity. We had those moments with the scientists, and we had the privilege of talking to scientists. We got so much of knowledge, and I want to tell them that don't participate in this. You should participate in this sci-connect quiz not only for winning but for gaining knowledge and for having fun.
I would motivate the other students to take part in such program and not miss the opportunity, because it will help them molding their future.
Yes, I would like to encourage the children for participation on such programs so that they may enhance their learning process more.
I would like to say that if you love science, this is a great chance to get knowledge and learn something new about science and excitement, and to develop interest in science.
I would like to suggest to the future participants to be updated with the recent science developments, and the more you read, the more you know, so you should keep reading and be updated with the science news.
This quiz show is not just a simple quiz show. It consists of many things you can learn. We have experiences, traveling experiences. We meet different types of people and we share our knowledge with them, and it's a great chance to boost of our confidence.
Gain knowledge as much as you can, not for the quiz but for everyday life. And then do not despair if you lose, because it's all a part of the game. Keep up the sportsman spirit alive, that's all.
Before preparing, before starting to think, never be overconfident. Always have that confidence that we can, but we will do that, but never be overconfident. Secondly, always go through the questions of which are given to us, and they should prepare with their complete hard work, because there is nothing next to hard work and nothing shortcut to hard work.
Go through everything, whatever you used to get, every new thing. Everything we used to learn something new. Just try to find out more things. Do hard work, because hard work is the way to success.
Vigyan Prasad hopes you liked the format of this quiz show. Do get back to us for any feedback on the following address or email: